Internal audit is a systematic, independent appraisal function within an organization aimed at examining and evaluating its activities as a service to the organization. The primary objective of internal audit is to provide assurance to management and the board that risks are managed effectively, governance processes are adequate, and internal controls are functioning as intended. Here's a breakdown of key aspects of internal audit. Independence and objectivity. Internal audit operates independently within the organization. This independence ensures objectivity in evaluating and reporting on the effectiveness of risk management, control, and governance processes. Scope. The scope of internal audit covers a wide range of activities, including financial controls, operational efficiency, compliance with laws and regulations, and safeguarding of assets. It can also encompass strategic risks and emerging issues facing the organization. Risk assessment. Internal auditors identify and assess risks facing the organization. This involves understanding the organization's objectives, analyzing potential risks that could hinder the achievement of these objectives, and evaluating existing controls to mitigate these risks. Audit planning. Based on the risk assessment, internal auditors develop an audit plan outlining the areas and activities to be audited. The plan considers factors such as the significance of risks, the materiality of processes, and the resources available. Testing and evaluation. Internal auditors conduct testing and evaluation of controls and processes to determine their effectiveness. This involves reviewing documentation, performing walkthroughs, and testing transactions to ensure compliance with policies and procedures. Reporting. Internal audit reports findings and recommendations to management and the board of directors. These reports highlight areas of concern, weaknesses in controls, and opportunities for improvement. They often include actionable recommendations to address identified issues. Follow-up. Internal audit typically follows up on previously reported issues to ensure that management has implemented agreed-upon corrective actions. This helps to track progress in addressing identified weaknesses and ensures accountability. Continuous improvement. Internal audit contributes to the organization's continuous improvement efforts by providing insights and recommendations for enhancing governance, risk management, and control processes. This iterative process helps the organization adapt to changing risks and challenges.